Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Langley Chrysler. Let me show you, this is brand new 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT model. That's actually awesome vehicle, and this is only $189 bi-weekly plus taxes. It's amazing, absolutely amazing. So let's see what we got. So it's brand new, never been registered. So you get 3 years or 60,000 kilometers bumper to bumper, or you get 5 years and 100,000 kilometers for the powertrain. You get aluminum wheels, power windows, power doors, air conditioner, LED lights in the back. It's got also the backup camera, and it's got the roof racks, so if you go camping and stuff like that. So here's also a backup camera you can see in the back over here. And this one is a full stow and go, so you can see all the back seats and the mid-row seats you can fold down inside the floor. So how it works, you see, you just flip it up like that, 1, 2, and 3. Here we go. So, and it's a 60/40, so if you want to sit 7 passengers, you can sit just 6 people and have all this big room in the back. It's awesome. Plus sliding doors, it's a great feature to have, and if you have small garage, going to help you a lot. This one comes also with 3-zone temperature control, so passenger, driver, and the back separately. You can see the control for the back, and it's got the DVD for the kids, so kids can be quiet. Awesome. So here's your LED lights. And it's got aluminum wheels with the full disc brakes and ABS and traction control, so it's a 5-star safe vehicle as well. And come with the floor mats, come with the 2 headphones and a remote for the DVD. And it's a 2 captain seats, and they can move back and forth, and they can recline individually. Plus, if you don't need it, you just can flip inside the storage. And the storage room is right over there, tons of room. Absolutely, I love minivans. So you can fold down all the seats and drive it like a cargo van. So, and that's how it looks if you fold it down, if you need to get to the back. Super simple. So what we got here, we have a regular power plug. We have a 2 USB ports. We have 12 volt also plug, just a regular vehicles plug. And then we have video inputs and HDMI. So in case if you want a PlayStation or Xbox, you can connect to the screen and have fun. Party time. So then we get the backup camera. You see the touchscreen radio, and comes with the Bluetooth for the phone, rear camera. There's your temperature control. And this seats in the back also, actually they power. A lot of vehicles like minivans, similar models, they don't have that stuff. This one has full power windows. So power locks, that's a 3rd row windows. Also you can control open power mirrors. So there's your lights. And here's your steering wheel, and you can see Bluetooth for the phone, cruise control. Plus, for the radio, you still have some extra buttons in the back, so while you drive, you don't need to take away your hands. And yeah, there's 3-zone temperature control over here. Driver, let's see what is going on here. Here we go. Driver, passenger, rear. And it's got the power outlet in the back, so you can disable so kids don't get shocked. That's for the fuel economy. When engaged, you get great fuel economy. That's your traction, which is always on. You get all that storage, and this storage is actually removable, and those things also, you see, you can disconnect in case if you need more room, right? There's your cup holders over here. Plus you have cup holders inside the doors. You have 2 compartments over here. It's awesome. And this is auto dimming mirror, so when you engage that button over here when you drive and the big semi truck drives behind you, it automatically dims. Plus you have those 2 lights, plus you have storage for the sunglasses and a safety mirror so you can watch your kids, so you can see always behind what's going on. So here we go guys, absolutely amazing deal, brand new minivan. Be ready for this summer, for camping season, for family trips. $189 bi-weekly plus taxes for almost fully loaded minivan. It's absolutely amazing deal. So text me, call me anytime. My name is Norm. My phone number is 778-321-0453, and this is Langley Chrysler. It's a minivan month. Absolutely amazing deals. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon. Bye bye.